So Raj, I will be your trainer.
So, are you the trainer?
Yes, I am the trainer.
Okay, thank you.
CRM is the tool which help us or which make the sales, marketing and service process easy, and it integrates all three process so that company can run their business in a better way. If we talk about the sales process, how it goes on. In general word, what normally sales guy does, their job is to sell the product among the customer. For that they follow some steps, some process they follow. So such kind of process also happens in CRM also. So what kind of process they follow? It start with lead management. They try to generate lead from the market. They find out the then they convert that lead into opportunity. Means if the prospect is somewhat interested, he'll ask, they will say, okay, I'll buy the product in next month or something. So they will convert that prospect into opportunity. Then that prospect or customer will ask for the price. Then they will send him a quotation. Then after that, sales order. After some negotiation, company will release the sales order. Then billing and delivery happens. Okay. Then account management is also a part of sales only. Account management is the area where we can maintain the customer account, customer database. We can update some customer database. Not only customer, any kind of business partner database, can be customer, it can be dealer, it can be employee, anything that comes under account management only. Sales analytics. Sales analytics is the part area which help us in generating the report. So these are some key process of sales. Apart from that, there are so many. When we do our training, that time we will study.
Okay.
Marketing. So marketing, what normally marketing guys does? So their job is to market the product among the customer. They do some promotional activity, they do some campaigns, advertisements, such kind of work they do. So what we can say? Campaign is a big area in marketing. Campaign management, campaign automation, whatever you want. Their job is to create target groups. Target groups in the sense, see, whenever company launch a product, suppose they want to launch a product in some Bangalore South area, so they will target some customer. So that we call as a target group. They will segment their customer, and on that, the basis of their segment, they will make a target group. Segmentation, target group creation, we can do in marketing. And activity management. Activity management is the area in marketing. What is activity management? See, a sales guy or marketing guy perform different kinds of activity in his day-to-day business. Sometimes he go and meet some customer. Sometimes he fix up some appointment with the customer. Sometimes he do telecalls with the customer. So such kind of thing comes under activity, like appointment, meeting, telecall, etc. Sales visit, all comes under activity only. And again, say marketing analytics. Marketing reports we can generate from marketing analytics area. Service. So these are the key process of marketing. Service. When the marketing is over, sales is over, then service comes. What normally service guy does? What is their job? Their job is to provide better service to the customer. See, if company provides good services, then only customer will buy the product again, and then only they will refer some other person also. So the service is the major area in CRM. Service, like what kind of service they provide, what kind of service process is there. Like it start with what normally service guy does. Their job is to resolve customer query, take up customer complaint, process the complaint, generate service request, complaint management, okay, and service quotation management, service order management, some SLA, service level agreement we can create here. Such kind of work we can perform. And again, service analytics.
Okay.
Sorry.
So where does the contracts come in service, or where do you create the contract?
Sir, here only come. It comes here only.
Okay.
Contract. So contract also comes here only. So these are the some key process of sales, marketing, and service. Apart from that, there are so many processes in CRM.
Okay.
So we can say,
Yeah.
tell me.
What is the e-commerce and sales? Do you have something called e-commerce in CRM, or do you put everything in sales? How does it work?
See, e-commerce is actually separate area in CRM.
Okay.
So when they sell their some product through web, when companies sell their product through web, that time e-commerce comes in picture.
Okay.
There are two types of business in e-commerce. One is B2B, another one is B2C. Business to business and business to consumer.
Okay.
Okay, so business to business, that happens only with the among with the companies. This company will buy the product from some companies. That is a B2B. B2C, there are so many examples like Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, so these are the example of B2C. When an end user or a customer can buy the product from the company. B2B is basically for the trading goods.
Okay.
From where company can buy the some raw material or something from some other company and we can use it. So that is a B2B. So e-commerce is a separate area in SAP CRM. It's a very wide area.
Okay.
Have you ever seen SAP CRM screen?
It should be same like than the other SAP. Okay.
Yes, it is same like other SAP screen.
Yeah.
But one more thing is there. In SAP CRM, we have two screen. One, there is one more screen for the end user. That is web UI.
Okay.
This is the difference.
Okay.
Like in SD and all, we don't have such kind of web user interface. But here we have web user interface also. I'll show you.
Oh, okay. So CRM, you also do window based and web based like that. Okay.
So actually web UI, web user interface is web based application only.
Okay.
It's a totally web based only. We add credentials in the desktop. So it will work.
Okay.
This is GUI, graphical user interface. There is one more screen. That is web UI. This is for the end user. If you want to open this screen in SAP CRM, we use the T code CRM_UI.
Oh, okay.
Type here,
Okay.
enter. Allow. And you can see here a lot of business rule. As I told you, sales, If someone is working in a sales, he will use Sales Pro. Someone is there in the marketing, he will use Marketing Pro. Like that, we have Sales Pro also. We have Service Pro also. There are n number of business role, more than 100 we have. But as per the configuration, we can remove some business role. So we can put some authorization. That thing we will study. But I am using admin ID, so I can view all business role. Suppose I am clicking Sales Professional. See here. So this is the standard CRM screen. Lead, opportunity, quotation, all you will find here. If you double click sales cycle, this is the area. Okay, so opportunity, if you want to create, just for suppose I want to create one quotation, select quotation. It will show so many quotation because some are configured, some are standard. This is the standard one, quotation ERP. Select this. So those things we will study how to configure. Just simply I am showing you. So we will cover both screen.
Okay, this is very nice. Okay.
Yeah. Gives customer name, sold to party, contact, employee responsible, status, something, posting date, reference date, and below you can enter the products and all, and then save it. If you scroll down, you will get the product assignment block. See which product they are interested, how many quantity and those things, and save it. It will generate one quotation. It's very user friendly.
Yeah.
Very simple screen.
So you can you switch back from GUI you came to Web UI? Can you switch back from here? You customize something and switch back to GUI. Is it possible?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Switch back means actually see configuration we do from GUI only, and those things will reflect here.
Ah, okay, I got it. Okay.
Because this is the final product that client will use.
Okay.
They will not have the access to GUI. They will use only Web UI.
Okay. Do we have anyone else other than me in the class, or just me and you? Two?
No. One more fellow is there.
Okay.
For him, I already took one class.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I'm actually. He attend class from Monday to Friday.
Okay.
So Monday, can you attend class on Monday?
Yeah.
Or you want Tuesday to Saturday?
What is your timing?
See, timing will be this one 6 to 7. Now it's 6:30.
Oh, okay. You mean okay? Whatever the time that we started today, 30 minutes earlier to me.
Yes.
Okay.
So when I start today, it was 6:10 a.m.
Okay, not a problem. So same time every day, Monday through Friday.
Yes.
30 minutes.
Yeah, 6. Yeah, because after that I have to go for my office, so I have only this slot.
I absolutely understand. I absolutely understand. Not a problem. Even small things adjustable between. Sometimes you get.
So one more thing I would like to ask you, Raj. So you want Monday to Friday according to Indian time, or Tuesday to Saturday?
I work Monday through Friday, but my last project was just over 2 days back. So sometimes I work with offshore, so I have early morning call. I don't know. But right now I'm in a very short break until I move to the next project. I have probably 1 week time. I don't know.
Okay.
or 10 days.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So, okay. So it will be 5 days is enough, no? Or you want 6 days or 7 days, something like that?
No, 5 days is fine. We can.
5 days, fine.
We need to
So
spend
okay.
some time for it.
Today is your Friday evening, I hope.
Today is Friday evening for me. Yes.
Okay. Monday is Saturday morning. Okay.
So you are
So
Saturday
Monday
morning.
you will. So Monday you will attend. Means that will be your Sunday evening.
No, not possible. Sunday evening I go to church. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Okay.
that I understand.
Now
Okay, okay. Then
you
after that we'll start from Tuesday. It will be your Monday evening.
So you are in Indian timing, right? So that's fine. Like we'll do according to IST time. We'll do Tuesday to Saturday.
Okay, okay, no issue.
Yeah. Is the other person the same timing like me? Is it
No,
fine?
actually, he is from Delhi only, so no issue.
Okay, okay, another one.
Okay. Classification of data in SAP CRM. We can classify our data into 3 categories. One is master data, transaction data, configuration data. We have 3 types of data in SAP CRM, not in CRM, in SAP. It's a common classification everywhere. In master data, we have 3 types of data. BP master data, product master data, and ORG model, organizational model. Master data is static in nature. We rarely delete master data. We have the option, but SAP suggested don't delete master data. So any kind of customer, any kind of dealer, employee data all comes under BP master data only. Product master, product, any kind of product, like suppose we are working for Sony, so their product like LCD, LED, home theater, laptop, desktop all comes under product master only. ORG model. In the ORG model, we can configure the organizational structure of the company. In that structure, we can assign some employees and we can give them some authorization. Such kind of work we do in organizational model. So all those 3 we will study in detail. Today I'll start with BP master data. BP is a big area. It will take 2-3 classes to finish. Second one is transaction data. Whenever we generate any business transaction in CRM, it generates a data. Okay, that we call as a transaction data. Business transaction in the sense like lead, opportunity, quotation, sales order, complaint, service orders, a contract, etc., all comes under transaction. So whenever you create any, suppose you are creating one quotation, you have entered some sold to party, customer name, date, product, save it. It will generate a new quotation with new ID. Again, if you click new, it will again you will get a blank page. If you enter some new customer with new product, save it. It will again generate a new ID. So every time whenever we create a new business transaction, it creates a new data. That's why we call it the transaction data. It generates the business transaction. Configuration data. Whenever we do some configuration, it generates some data that goes and saves in table. So that we call as a configuration data. So we will work on all those 3 areas one by one. Configuration, anyways, it will go. Thus, whenever we do configuration, it will generate some data. So we'll start with BP master data. BP master data in it means business partner master data. Very small definition of BP. Have business interest with the company, we call it BP. Any individual or organization have business interest with the company. Company where CRM is implemented, or we can assume it as a client. So any individual or organization who is associated with the company, we call them as a BP. It can be dealer, it can be employee, it can be distributor, it can be sold to party, anyone. There are three categories of BP. Person, organization and group. And these are predefined by SAP, and we cannot configure more categories. It's already there in the system. I will show you. And BP is also a T code. Type the T code BP, press enter. You can see all three categories: person, organization and group. Person is for individual person. Organization is for any org or any sort of company. Group is for like small group like NGO, executive board, committee, trust, housing board, like that. That comes under group. Whenever we want to create a BP, suppose I want to create one customer. So first we will see what kind of customer it is. It's a company, it's an organization, or it's a group. Suppose there is one bank. This bank is using CRM to maintain the customer database. Suppose I have opened one account in that particular bank, and bank wants to maintain my data in the CRM. Which category they will choose? Person, because I am an individual person for them. For individual contact, they will select person category. Suppose TCS, IBM, they also have account in that particular bank, and when bank will maintain the data, they will choose organization category because they comes under organization category. Like that, same for group. So when company create any database, first they will choose the category. Suppose I want to create an individual person contact. Click person. You will get this screen. Now, if I am an individual person, what is my role with respect to the bank? I am consumer for them. Consumer, customer, whatever you want to call it. So I am a consumer for them. Even TCS, IBM also a consumer for the bank. So after that, they will choose a role. Consumer, suppose. Like that, they can create employee also. Okay. Then give some first name, last name, something. Language. I am entering mandatory field. EN, country, IN, postal code, city, whatever the address of the consumer, they will enter and save it. System will generate one new customer with new consumer with the unique ID. See, 415880. This is the unique ID of a BP. So in future, if we want, we can search with this ID. Back, use this button to go back. Again, type the T code BP, press enter. Click this folder button. Give BP ID. Okay, you'll find the BP ID. And it is in the display mode. See, it is mentioned as a display mode. If you select this, it will come in the this mode, change mode. So apart from meeting ID, we can update anything we can give. Okay. See, changes have been saved. Back. Okay. With name also we can retrieve. BP, enter. Give some filter criteria. Suppose you want to search by, you know, your BP suppose is a person. Select person. Suppose you want to search by name. Give name. Give first name. Start. See, same BP. Double click, it will open. So such kind of work also we can do. So this is BP creation. BP creation is not our job. That is the job of a end user. But we should be clear with how to create a BP. We have seen one T code here to maintain BP. Now you have seen one more. I told you about the BP role. I'll give definition here. Role of a BP with respect to the company. Some standard BP roles are consumer, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer, employee, contact person, etc. Okay. Up to this, any doubt? Raj? Yes, I'm asking. Any doubt up to this?
No, I said no. We can say.
Acha, okay. It was pin drop silent now, so I thought you can hear me or not.
Yeah, it looked like I put my headset, the mic didn't work. I'm just speaking and you couldn't hear something.
Okay.
I took it out.
Great. Okay. So you are recording the session also, no?
Just now I started. First I missed it. Then no, okay. I'll do it from next session. Since we started discussing, I stopped.
No, you can start recording right now also if you want.
I'll start again.
Yes, you can click start recording. You will get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I will show you some small configuration in BP.
Okay.
I'll open BP page again. Go to person and see here. There are so many BP roles. These are the configured one: consumer HP, consumer test, So as per the requirement, see so many employees someone has configured. So we can configure a new BP role also, and we can hide with and which client don't want. So client wants suppose only 10, 7, 8 roles, and then what, and he doesn't want all those roles. So we will hide those roles and we will hand over only the role which he required. So we will see both things, how to hide and how to create a new one. Configure BP role. Okay. So I will navigate some path. First I will note down the path, then I will show you how to open it. SPRO. SPRO is the T code. To customize or edit project. Okay, SPRO is the T code. Anyways, so I will navigate one path, SPRO, IMG, cross application, components, SAP BP. It's a long path. BP, basic setting, BP role, define BP role. So close this screen. SPRO, enter. Now it's open. SPRO, IMG, cross application component, same path I am opening, cross application component, then SAP BP, then BP. SAP business partner,
Okay.
business partner, then basic setting, basic setting, BP role, then define BP role. And define BP role is the area, and click this clock. Define BP role is the area from where we can define or create or configure a new BP role. You can see how many BP roles we have, around 98. It includes both standard and configure. These are the standard. Some role which is starting with Z or Y, those are the configured one that you will get in the last somewhere. Okay, Z or Y, same concept. Suppose I want to configure a new BP role, any kind of. Suppose I want to configure a role like contact person. Select this, click copy as, give some new name, anything. Contact person, suppose test I am giving. Change the ID also. ID cannot be same. Simply CP1 I am giving. Any ID, alphabetic ID, alphanumeric ID, anything starting with Z or Y. Press enter and save it. We did some customization, that's why we got this customizing request. So if you want, we can create a new request also, or let it be like that. So new creation, we can do like that. Click this create button. I hope you know this thing now.
Yeah.
Okay. Test new request. Simply. Okay. And enter. So our customization will get saved in this request. Now we will check. Open a new session. Beeping again. Person. Open this. This one. Contact person test.
Okay.
Okay. And if you want to hide any VP role, a simple one, come back to same screen again from where we have configured the role. Any role, suppose you don't want this employee, just for example Z delta something is there. Check this, hide. No need to delete. We can delete also, but it's not required to delete. So that will not display, display in the front end.
Okay.
Same thing you can check it in web UI also. The role will display. Sometimes it takes time to display, but it will reflect. And where it will reflect, I will show you. CRM_UI. Because as a consultant we do configuration, we check it here only because it takes time to open web UI. But everything will reflect. There. Select Sales Pro. Backend, it's a business partner. Front end, it's the account management. Same thing. I'll search with some standard. I'll search account.
Okay.
Okay. If you know the first name, last name, then okay. Otherwise, simply click search. Open any VP. Click edit. Scroll down. This is the role assignment block. Open this. Already one role is assigned. Click edit. And in this drop down, you can see other role also. If it is updated, it is coming. See.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see it. Okay.
Yeah. So we can assign multiple role also to a BP. I'll take one more small topic, then I'll finish the class.
Sure. Really good. I'm okay with the class. The only thing is like I need practice. Like, will you be able to set the software this weekend?
Yes, this thing you will get. They will provide you the server access.
Okay. Because if I don't practice, then it I will forget it.
No, 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 no. You will get server access by today, I think.
Sure.
They will, because without practice, how it will go?
Yeah.
There is no use.
Yeah.
So next concept is number ranges and grouping. What is this? See, when I hit save button in BP, it generates some ID. It creates some ID and saves the BP. So we will see how system generates the ID. I'll show you one very small example. Suppose this is the BP page. Create something, anything. Suppose consumer only I am going to create. Give something here. Test only. Country IN. Save it. See, it has generated one ID 415881. One more I will create.
So to create one more, you just selected create in BP role. Okay, okay, consumer new, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I have selected consumer, but it will show consumer new because
Okay.
it's a new role that we are going to assign. So by default, new will come.
Okay.
Save. See, 41582. Next ID will be 883, 884, 885 like that.
Okay.
So by seeing this, we can, it's looking like it is generating ID from some number range. There is some number range assigned. There are some configuration that is already done in this. So that's why it is generating ID in some sequence. So we will see this thing, how system generates ID for a BP. There are two types of number range. Internal and external number range. Internal means it generates.
Yeah, I get it. Okay.
Okay, ID automatically.
Yeah,
No need to do anything.
Yeah, if we wanted to give a different number now, how do we change those numbers? Is it possible?
Yes, that we can do through external number range.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming. Okay.
So external number range means we can give ID manually. Okay. So both things we will see. So first path, up to this it is same. Basic setting. Define number range, or else you can come by T code BUCF. BUCF is the T code, so you can directly open the screen.
BU, what is that?
BUCF.
Okay.
Okay. Same path. Basic setting. then number ranges and grouping, then define number range. So what I am going to do, first I will make some number range, then system will generate ID from that number range only. There are so many number ranges already configured. See, 13, 14, we'll see how many are configured. 43, 44, something is there. 50, 51. Okay, so many are configured. Anyways, we can give only 2 character ID, so I'll give in some alphabetic ID I will give. Click insert interval. Sorry, I click this button insert because we want to create a new one. Give some ID like A4. Open it. These are the number range which is available with the system. You can choose anything. Suppose I am selecting this one. But it's a very long number range. If you use the complete one, that will this will get disappear from the system. So I will extract a small one from this.
Yeah.
I'll not utilize whole. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3650. Sorry, 3650. Like 1 to 10 is available with the system. I have taken 1 to 5. Something like that I am doing.
Okay, you just reduced 50 numbers. Okay, got it.
Yeah. So how many BP? So first BP ID will be 3600.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
And
that is, yeah,
click insert.
3600 to 650. 3650. Okay.
Correct. Correct. I'll give here. Okay. And click in insert.
Okay.
One more I'll create for external. Suppose A5. And see now, up to 3650 we have taken. So it is showing from 3651. That's why I have not taken the whole number range.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Something 80 suppose. And this time I will check EXT. EXT means it will make the number range external.
Okay.
And save it. Enter. And back. Number ranges is created. Now we will create a grouping, because in the front end we cannot see the number range, we can see only grouping option. So next step is grouping. Define grouping and assign number range.